Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super cute and easy white wrap ring. And trust me, you can do it in no time. All you need are a few simple materials, and you'll have a gorgeous ring in minutes. For this project, you'll need 18 gauge wire, 22 gauge wire, some heart beads, or any beads you love, pearls to add that elegant touch. And that's it, simple, right? Alright, let's start by cutting a piece of your 18 gauge wire. You'll need about 3 to 4 inches, depending on your finger size. Now, take your 22 gauge wire and start wrapping it around the thicker wire like this. Keep the wraps tight and neat. Next, grab your beads and pearls and start threading them onto the wire. The fun part is customizing it with any beads you love. Go for hearts, pearls, or something sparkly for extra flair. And voila, you've got yourself a beautiful handmade white wrap ring ready to wear. It's that easy and quick, perfect for gifts, or adding a personal touch to your jewelry collection. If you enjoyed this easy DIY, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun tutorials. And if you try making this ring, be sure to tag me in your photos. I'd love to see how yours turn out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.